Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today in this video we are going to learn wall hanging craft. You need some material like red yellow sheet in A3 size, black chart, cardboard, pencil, scissor and Fevicol. Okay, so let's start. Take any waste cardboard and cut 9 centimeter circle like this. Okay, and cut black strip like this. Okay, now take one strip and Fevicol, apply it here. After that, roll your chart like this. Now paste it with Fevicol. Now again do same. Add Fevicol and roll it. And here we go. Make stick like this, okay? After that, take one cardboard and then add Fevicol in center and then paste this stick here like this. Now take one red sheet and cut 4 centimeter strip like this, okay? And fold it like this again. Now draw one leaf shape here like this and then cut it. And here is your leaf. Now make two type of leaf like this, okay? After that, take yellow sheet and cut 2 centimeter strip like this, okay? Now cut it and then fold it. And now draw small leaf shape here like this and cut it and paste this small leaf on it like this, okay? Use Fevicol for it. Okay, after that again take red sheet and cut 5 centimeter strip like this, okay? And then fold it. And now fold it like this. Then take one more strip here and cut it, and then fold it like this. Now paste it with Fevicol. Now take one cardboard piece like this, okay, and then add Fevicol on it. Now paste it here, and then paste the sleeve shape here. After that, add Fevicol here in center and paste your flower here. And then take one yellow sheet and draw one circle and cut it like this, okay, and then paste it here in center, okay, and then take one thread like this, okay, tie it like this, and then paste it here, okay, cut one strip and add Fevicol in it, and then paste it like this, okay, add some tape. Now here is your final wall hanging craft. Try to do same. Goodbye everyone. See you in next video.